I got about maybe 45 minutes to do this. I'm not gonna take that long. Oh, let me turn this down because I don't want YouTube copyright. But yeah, it's been a while. Let's go do this because I'm a little bit excited. Hopefully we find something. Cross my fingers, I guess. The pictures don't show no TRD kits on these Celicas, but you never know. Someone might drop in a Apexy, Power FC, something small worth my trip. You never know. These trips are like, you never know what you're gonna find. So let's head on out and hopefully find something, because it's been a while. Like, I mean, I've been up to it. Like, I've been getting the notifications from Mo 52, but the thing is, there hasn't been anything that catches my eye like all the other episodes. Like, the most recent one was a TRD from bumper, and I went to it. It was in South San Jose. I went to it, but the bumper was a little bit destroyed, and it was fixable, but not worth my time because I don't have any time right now. I barely have any time. My days off, Tuesday, Sundays. I'm out here on the Sunday. I don't have homework today. Actually, I do have a little bit of homework, but it's not as bad. I don't need to have it turned in by tomorrow, which is Monday. And yeah, so I'm gonna give myself a little bit of time to go visit the junkyard. So stick around. How it feels to be back. Feels really good. Oh, 240 SX. Your automatic 240 SX. Ooh. Crap. Oh man, there is nothing here. What is this? Is it a V6? Nah, it ain't no V6. It's probably an inline 4. Drum brakes? Yeah, drum brakes, not a V6. Boo. I'm actually trying to look for a really good 1MZ VVTi for a V6 swap Celica. Some little project in the future. I don't know. Irvin has been kind of bugging me about it. Like, he's like, when you gonna do it? When you gonna do it? Is this a V6? Ooh, disc brakes. Yep, V6, there you go. But unfortunately, these are not VVTi. These Camrys right here are just, they're 1MZs, but non-VVTi. So, not what I'm after. Borola. I fucking love these 8th gens. And it would be a trip if this is a 5-speed. Ah, it's automatic. It reminds me of my first automatic that I had. I fucking love these Corollas. Like, you guys can talk shit about them or like just give me crap about them, but I just love them. Like, I've had 3 of them. I've had my first, we had the 01 LE that I converted into a S, and I did like so much crap to it. Like, it's been through so many phases. I'll probably post some pictures right here of how it looked like before and after and whatnot. Then after that one, we acquired the, well, not acquired, we bought a 2002 Corolla S automatic one from some, I think it was called Golden Star Motors from South San Jose. Yeah, I drove out there with my dad. We bought the car. I think we spent like $2,200 for it. Yeah, and it was a really good car, but my dad crashed it, and then he just, I don't know, he crashed and then the frame got messed up, and I tried to like fix it. It worked, but it was just chewing tires like really bad, even after you did an alignment. It was crap. So we ended up selling it for $700 like years later. Like, he got it all the way to 300,000 miles. So it was really good. And then after that, we got a 01. I got a 01S from the South San Jose Pick-N-Pull on Monterey. And yeah, that one, I really miss it. I really do. Like, it's unfortunate how it died, but I just still miss it to this day. But it's fine. The Corolla XRS, it's a really nice car, and it replaced it. I mean, it's fine. I'll get over it eventually. That was manual. Holy crap. Wow. What the hell did they do here? Oh, it's a 0102 with a facelift front end, because it has a pre-facelift trunk garnish, hatch garnish, taillights. But yeah, 03 bumper's trashed. Not worth my time. I believe this is the one that's been here for the longest. So, oh, there's the airbag right there. Let's go look around some more. Holy crap. They took a whole chunk of this car. What is this? Is this a... Fuck, I can't even tell what the hell this is. It's a Toyota. I know that. There's an ECU right there. What is it? Oh my god. Oh, there's a Celica. It is a pre-facelift model. Ooh, it's a GTS. Yeah, it is. Oh god. Yeah. GTS, but is it an automatic? See, here's a GTS automatic steering wheel and airbag. Oh, there's two. What in tarnation? So yeah, these are about $30 a piece. There's a GTS steering wheel. Looks like shit. It's been repainted. You can easily tell that it's been repainted. Yep, it is a GTS. Got leather seats in here. But is it an automatic or is it a manual? Golly. They took everything. Look at that. We got sport pedals. We have sport pedals, people. Let's take them. Yeah, I can't fucking believe it. There's fucking sport pedals here. There you go. Dead pedal right there. You got a full set of sport pedals. Look at that. Sport pedals. No way. That's awesome. Fuck yeah. Yeah, we're taking these right now. Oh, God, this is really hard to get out. Yeah, these are a pain to install. You guys can see my video of how I installed a set of these on a Corolla XRS. There they go. I'm gonna get my 10mm. We're gonna yank this one out. And dead pedals right here, so let me go ahead and do that. But other than that, I don't see nothing in here too special. Anything aftermarket other than the speakers. Yeah, that's about it. Awesome. This right here with the gas pedal, it runs about $50 to $60. I can sell this easy for $50 to $60. So if you need this, hit me up. Got you guys. Here's a Corolla. What row is this? 179. So there has to be a Celica down this row. Do I see a Celica? See a fart can right there. No, I don't see a Celica. Wow. Nope, no Celica. I see an IS300 though. Some of these have sport pedals as well. Happy Halloween by Shrek. Okay. See? I'm telling you. Sport pedals right there, but unfortunately this is an automatic, so I mean you could use this gas pedal, the same thing in the other one. But every time I see an IS300, it always reminds me of my good old buddy Christopher, but I usually call him Gold 94 Corolla because he had a Gold 94 Corolla at one point. But yeah, what's in here? 2JZ, no shit. So yeah. No, I think that's it. Oh, is this it? Is this a Celica? Hey, Celica. What's in here? Oh, 2ZZ. Wow. It's automatic or manual? Automatic. Boo. But there it goes. Sport pedals. You got your gas, you got your dead pedal, and nothing too spectacular in here once again. Boring pre-facelift interior color. I hate this color. I really do. Oh crap. Okay. I guess that won't open. Rear disc conversion for any of you that like doing that. Oh, damn it. Should open now. There we go. No. I love these seats. I love these seats. I just barely noticed that. They're the cloth GTS seats. I love these over the leather ones. And if you guys ever go to the junkyard and that side is ruined, you can always use this cover on the driver's side. It will always work. What? TYC tails? Are these TYC tails? I don't think so. I think they're just eBay tails. Can't really tell if these are TYC. I think, but look at that. They're all messed up anyways. I don't think no one would want them. But yeah, you got your shit stag struts. Those are ass. Don't buy them. I had them in my Corolla. They blew like within a year. Like, they're just ass. They're crap. But I might come back for the fog light. Because on my GTS, the fog light's cracked from when I ran over the piece on the freeway. But, oh, it's leaking hella oil. Wow. Pretty sure it's 2ZZ's blown. Who's that guy right there? Pretty good, man. Pretty good. What's up?
Nothing much, man. Just here on my break.
On your break? Yeah, I was in there. I was like, so yeah, that was Edgar. He's a really cool guy. I've known him from the flea market. He actually goes to the arcade and play every now and then, but I guess he hasn't been going because he works on the weekends. And yeah, that was him right there. That's his car right there, the G35, I believe. Or is it a G35? I'm pretty sure it's a G35. I don't think it's a G37. I don't know my G35s or G37s, but yeah, that's gonna conclude this episode. Awesome find, you know, like, even if I only found the pedals, the sport pedals, it's still a really good flip. Like, that just cost me like $5. I could easily turn around and sell them for $50 to $60. The last time I posted them for $50, they sold within an hour on the new Celica page on Facebook. So if I could sell those for 50 bucks in under an hour, I'm pretty sure I can add $60, and they'll probably take like a week to sell, because those pedals are actually really expensive. I believe the clutch and the brake pedal are the same part number, and each of those brand new costs like around $25 to $20. Not sure. I'll probably put the link right here. I'll probably put the price right here that I find them on eBay. But people will buy because of the brake pedal. I mean, the dead pedal. That's what costs the most money. I believe that costs like around $30. And the gas pedal, it's the whole assembly. You can't just buy the gas pedal itself. So that turns out to be way more expensive. And if you add everything all up, you're gonna be spending like around $120 or something like that. So people would rather buy them used, and they actually don't look all that bad. That's hella funny though. That's hilarious that they got that there. But yeah, it's a new junkyard. It's on the other side of the freeway. I've done, I believe, 1 or 2 videos. I've scored there before. I've scored my dad's Matrix XR seats for a facelift. I also got a TRD rear valence for the Celica there, and I forgot what else I got, but I got a couple of things there. That place is actually pretty good, but it's just really tiny, really tiny. Not that many cars can fit in there, so I try to avoid that place. Anyways, I'm done with this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, share this video. Thank you for watching.